Hello and welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we are looking at a single-owner 2018 GMC Sierra 3500 HD DENALI with the Z71 package. This truck comes with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine. It is also equipped with some aftermarket parts that include a 4.5-inch lift kit, color-matched fender flares, mud flaps, and 20-inch Cali off-road wheels with 35-inch tires. On the interior, we have heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, a heated steering wheel, dual zone climate controls, remote start, and a power sunroof to ensure you always stay comfortable. Convenience features include a memory driver seat, a Bose audio sound system, wireless charging pad, and heated power folding tow mirrors. Safety is no concern thanks to park assist, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and automatic HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. A touchscreen display allows for hands-free calling via Bluetooth connectivity, while also showing the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and a backup camera for everyday peace of mind. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to click or call, and one of our sales representatives will be happy to help.